everyone, Stephanie here, and I have an unbagging today. This is the welcome bag for the Target baby registry. I didn't use Target for registering before, but I am super into getting the welcome bags because I know from my pregnancy with Lulu that we used almost all the bottles that we got and almost all the diapers we got in welcome bags, and it was great. And so I wanted to check out some more welcome bags. So Target, it was a little hard to find a Target that had them because apparently they go really quickly, and there are 3 Targets that are approximately the same distance from me. One said they never got them because they're new. The other one said that they sell out of them. I mean, they're free, but that they go really quickly. And then this was the 3rd Target I called, and they said that they had some. So here it is. Let's go ahead and open it up. So this is exactly how it came. It came knotted like that. And the first thing in here is an Advent natural bottle, the most natural way to be bottle fed. These are pretty much exclusively what we used with Lulu, and the 4-ounce size is pretty much what we used with her. These were great. She used the Advent pacifiers too, which have the same nipple on them, so super easy. Lulu was pretty much exclusively breastfed, but after a while she would take regular milk too, and still she's almost 2 and she still only really wants to drink regular milk out of a bottle, and she still uses Advent bottles. Granted, we've lost most of them. The only one she really uses is one with handles. That's like the more grown baby bottle. Anyway, but so this is great. So that's a great way to start, our new collection of bottles. Also, something we really loved from when we were pregnant with Lulu is Pampers Swaddlers. She still is in diapers, and so she still uses Pampers Swaddlers, and I recognize this packaging because we had it from our old ones. These should be, this is a little Pampers carrying case, which is actually really cute. You could use it as a makeup case or something for carrying things with, but inside we find a little travel size thing of wipes, which is great for throwing in the diaper bag for quick changes on the go. There's only 6 wipes in them. And then we have, is this just one? I think just one, a newborn size Pamper Swaddler. But they're great diapers, that's what we use. And then we also have, I thought maybe I'd have coupons, but no, just a thing about the Pampers. Oh, here we go. $5 off Pampers wipes or Pampers diapers, or Pampers wipes with diapers. But still, that's good. Coupon that's expired, but still coupon. Maybe they'll still accept it. And then what else we have? $1.50 off of Pampers. This one is also expired. $1 off wipes, expired. Vicks Baby Rub, expired. Dreft, expired. Crest Pro Health. I mean, I guess because when you're pregnant, you need to take good dental care. Cool. So a bunch of coupons that have all expired. What else? Baby Organics Moisturizing Daily Lotion sample. Again, these kinds of things are great for going in the diaper bag. Just a little thing. What's this? Well, your insurance may pay for your breast pump. That's true. What else? 7th generation coupons that are yet again expired. A Aquaphor. What's this? Advanced Therapy, Aquaphor Baby, Advanced Therapy Skin Protectant sample. Great for a diaper bag. Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Massage Lotion for Stretch Marks. Sample. That's for Mommy. Ooh, a Nook pacifier that looks like a panda. Oh, more diapers. Honest diapers. 2 diapers and 10 wipes. This is a size 1. That's nice. What's this? Target brand diapers. 2 size 1. So these are non-newborn. This is the next size up. But so you can try, I guess, a couple different brands of diapers. Oh, and we have another bottle. We have a Dr. Brown's Natural Flow. It's a slow flow bottle for if your baby has colic. We actually have some of these. We never used them with Lulu, but here's an extra one because Lulu did not have colic and she liked the Advent ones. But I guess if you have a baby that's colicky and you're either breastfeeding and pumping or giving formula, that's the way to go. Cool. What's this? Disposable nursing pads and breast milk storage bags for Lancino. And I used these pads when I was nursing Lulu, so that's great to have a sample of those. And then, last but not least, we have Baby Dove Moisture Wash and Aveeno Baby Daily Moisture Lotion. So that was from Target. All you have to do is sign up for the registry, walk into a Target, or call your Target first and make sure they have one, a welcome bag, and go in and pick it up. It's free. So that was what I got in mine. Check out what's in yours. Let me know what you got that's different than what we got. And I'll see you next time. Bye.
I don't know what I do, but I tell them right as I purchase you.